to the spot. I would fish where it was last week, but there's a fly fisherman, and I don't want to go throwing my weight or my bait around his area. He was here first, so you know, fisherman's etiquette. So I'm gonna fish the opening area side where it opens up to the lake. I'm gonna try this gold spinner. I just got it from Copper State Tackle. I'm gonna be trying here because there's little splashes right in front of me. First cast. So peaceful. Me and my girlfriend got a cabin out here. We're staying for the day, and you know, I thought I'd go fishing. She's resting up for tomorrow. We're gonna come out here later once she gets up. But me and my friends came out here last week, and geez, we had a heyday with these trout. But the water is so clear, oh my god. I'm just gonna keep casting down here. It is a little windy, and hopefully that doesn't interrupt the audio. Got him. I got a trout on the stringer. I got a trout. He's a little one. There he goes. Small little trout. Small little guy. It's like a baby. Oh my god. He's crazy too. Didn't let him fight much. But you just gotta wet your hands when... Oh, came off. There he goes. First fish of the day was a rainbow trout. Gotta catch his brother. I saw him splash up with him. Gotta let that sink for like 3 quick seconds. Start reeling in slow. Got another one. I like how these fight. It's another baby. Come on, get the quick release. Oh. Quick release, come on. I would love the quick release, because handling you is already bad enough. I'll keep him if he doesn't make it. It took me a little longer than I thought, because I kind of got him in the gills. But so he didn't bleed as much, you know. But So we'll take him if he doesn't make it. There's some big squirrels out here. I just got hit. This little bluegill came out of here. He's hungry. Oh, he chomped on it. Oh, he went back into under this rock. What the heck? One, two, three. Start reeling. Let it sink. 1, 2, 3. Start reeling in. I wonder how I would target these smallmouth bass. Kind of want to throw in something else. What the heck? I'm getting hit by something, but in that same general area. Or I'm getting line. I got 2 people's line. It's weirdly rigged. It has a swivel to a sinker. That the weight is not in the right spot. I don't know what it is, but I got it out, so that's a good thing. So someone else's day won't be ruined. One, two, three. All right, time to try something else. They know what's good. I'm gonna try this MTV box that I got earlier yesterday. But it didn't. MTV lied to me and said that they come with everything I need but to fish, but they gave me all these lures but no hooks. Come on now, MTV, don't do me dirty like that. But I'm gonna try this lure I got from them. I'm still gonna purchase stuff off of them because I like their baits. See if I can catch a trout with this. Look at that. Looks beautiful. It was some hook that I found, and at Bartlett, and later I found out that they sell these in like a kit that you buy off Target. You get like a fishing kit off of them, and they have that weight or jig head. That's what I'm gonna be using. So hopefully I can catch a fish. Perfect. So nice to know the different ways to tie, because I would use I don't know what it was called, but it was like a regular, everyone learns it as a kid, but let's see. Jig head, go. All right. It didn't go that far. Oh, I got a sunfish. Oh, came off. Did a lot of flips and fell. At least I know the sunfish like it. Alright, time to cast again then. Time to head home. I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend and my son. We're gonna head back. They want to see the sunset, even though the sun is already setting. But our cabin is only 10 minutes away from here, so it's cool. She wanted to sleep anyways. So I'll hurry up, get home, and then hurry up and get back. I got a ways to walk, and I think I only caught like three trout and hooked another 2 and hooked into 2 other sunfish or bluegill. I didn't get to touch them, so that's why I say hooked. But let me get home and then I'll be back and do a couple more casts. I might cast here and steal the fish from that hawk or whatever it is. Alright, I'll see you guys at the car. Oh my god. There's a lot of smallmouth bass right here. I need something smaller. So they were the ones hitting my stuff. Oh. I need something different. I change all the time. I change all the time. Huh? You have to find out what they like. Watch. Let's see if I toss this darker one. Let's see if they commit. What? What? Oh my god.
Is that not you? You know what?
It was me.
It was?
Yeah.
You say, yeah, I'm fine. Before I look at you.
They're just not committing. They're right here. Look. Oh my god, they ripped it.
Still took it. Still throw it out there.
I know, I'm just gonna get it smaller and smaller.
Fucking mesquites everywhere, huh? What if we get West Nile virus?
Is that a thing still? Damn it. A bass. Hmm? I got a bass. Ginny? Ginny? Don't touch it. He disappeared almost immediately. Junior or Coco.